Hey, good morning everybody. Today is Wednesday, August 24th, 2016. My name is Cliff Backus and this is your pushbuttonstocktrading.com daily video market review. Let's get started this morning by taking a quick look at the Nasdaq Composite. But before we do that, stocks closed broadly higher on mixed trading volume yesterday. The S&P 500 closed up 0.2% at 2121. But closed at the bottom of its daily trading range, a bearish close. Nasdaq advanced 0.3% to finish at 5260. After setting an all-time high yesterday intraday, it also closed near the bottom of its daily trading range. Both the Nasdaq and the S&P continue to struggle with congestion around recent resistance. A close higher than in the daily trading ranges yesterday would have been a much more convincing argument for the bulls. Our market timing model on both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 is on a buy signal. A buy signal indicates that both aggressive and conservative traders can buy, but we shouldn't be increasing margin at this point. Investors.com is indicating a confirmed uptrend in the market with 5 distribution days for the S&P 500 but only 4 for the Nasdaq, as the Nasdaq lost a day due to age yesterday. Our count is 4 days on both. That noted, 4 days of distribution in a month would normally be a concern for the bulls, but the distribution over the past month has been mild and, more importantly, hasn't clustered. Advancing issues bettered decliners by better than 2 to 1 yesterday. New highs handily bettered new lows. Small capitalization stocks bettered large again yesterday and continue to outperform on a 10-day moving average basis. The bulls prefer to see small caps outperform. We remain on a buy signal on both the S&P and the Nasdaq. Both continue to struggle with significant resistance levels. Until we decisively put that resistance behind us, it's hard to make an extremely bullish case for this market. We're overdue for a correction, but for now, we'll watch and wait for the market to pick a direction. Traders can be fully invested, but as always, should have their stops in place and current. Okay, yesterday the Nasdaq was up 15.48 points or 0.3%. We closed at 5260, and note how we gapped higher and never actually made contact with this support resistance area in the 5232 area. But we did close at the very bottom of our daily trading range. This would have been a very constructive bar had it not closed at the bottom of its trading range. Trading volume yesterday was slightly below the prior day. And for you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend, have been since June 30th. We have 4 distribution days in the past month. And notice how the distribution is well spaced. Distribution isn't a particular concern in the market at this point. It would be more of a concern if we saw a lot of distribution clustered on the right side of the chart. Our market timing model is on a buy signal. And right now, the Nasdaq is bracketed by support down here in the 5232 area and really has no resistance. We'll see if we can take out the old high with some conviction. See what the S&P 500's up to. S&P yesterday was up 4.26 points or 0.2%. We closed at 2186. Closed right at the bottom of its daily trading range. Like the Nasdaq, it gapped higher and closed at the low of the day. This would have been a much more bullish bar had it actually closed near the top of the daily range. Trading volume yesterday was higher than the prior day, giving us a day of weak accumulation. Accumulation is a sign of professional buying in the market. The S&P is in a confirmed uptrend. We have 4 distribution days in the past month. The distribution's well spaced like the Nasdaq, and we're not seeing any clustering around the right side of the chart. And so distribution really isn't all that much of a concern at this point. Our market timing model is indicating a buy signal, and we have support down here in the 2175 area. We'll watch for the S&P 500 to convincingly take that area of resistance out. Before we go, I want to take a quick look at changes to both position trading holdings and swing trading holdings. Yesterday we added Mobileye to our position holdings. Mobileye is an Israeli-based developer of software and related technologies for camera-based advanced driver assistance systems. Stock broke out of this flat base with a pivot point at 50.18. It subsequently closed back in that base, which is not a particularly bullish sign. We currently have 7 position trade holdings. That's a lot. Generally, we want to hold no more than 5 positions, and so we're going to be looking for an opportunity to shed a couple going forward here. We currently hold Line Corp, Alibaba, ACIA, Max Linear, Zimmer Bio Holdings, and Edwards Life Sciences in addition to Mobileye. Note that by definition, a flat base should be at least 5 weeks long and no deeper than 15%. Let's take a quick look at our swing trading holdings. Yesterday, the Nasdaq closed above its 5-day simple moving average, which we show in pink, and its 10-day simple moving average, which we show in green. The 5-day is trading above the 10-day, which is our definition of a buy-long signal and indicates that swing traders can be adding positions to their portfolios at this point. Yesterday we added 2 new positions to our portfolio. We bought DPZ above this mini consolidation area at 149.13. We also bought Mobileye, MBLY. When it closed above this mini consolidation, or when it traded above this mini consolidation in the $50.18 range. Notice how Mobileye closed back inside that consolidation area. That's a bearish sign. We'll keep an eye on Mobileye going forward here. Finally, we sold TSE yesterday when it reached our price target. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push-button stock trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push-button stock trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push-button stock trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push-button stock trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.